All right, go.
Both the black horn button and the ivory horn button. 2 inches in the front, you get about 3 in the rear on this. Our dog has something to say about it too. Drilling holes or whatever for the tub to fit on these frames. They're already pre-fit for you. You put them through the test, so. Hey guys, this is John at JeepsterMan, and today we're talking about the CJ2A kit, the crate Jeep that we sell. This is the most complete kit that anybody sells for the CJ models. We just counted the pieces, so as far as large pieces, this is a 19-piece kit, most complete one you're gonna find out there. But it also has a lot of smaller items as well. So today we're just gonna walk around and talk about what comes in this kit, what items you can expect, what type of work, stuff like that. So we'll start out with the large items first. What we like about these crate Jeeps, so these are previously fitted in the factory where they manufacture these things. So that means that this tub that you see in this box over here is fitted for this chassis here. So sometimes people talk about how they have fitment issues with the new tub and the old chassis. Well, with this, you don't have to worry about it because these two were made up in the factory and they were pre-fit before they were sent here. All right, so that's one of the benefits you get if you order a kit that comes with the chassis. So this here is the CJ2A chassis. These are also robotically welded. They are primed as well. Really excellent chassis. I'm really impressed with them, especially the welds and stuff that they do on these. These are the later style up here that don't have the early style steering setup for these on the CJ2A. So there's your chassis. You can see it's still wrapped in plastic. Here is the CJ2A body tub. So this is the tub that you get. And this tub's a little bit different than just the plain tubs we sell because it comes with a bunch of extra little small pieces that you get with the crate Jeep, which is nice. So it's very complete. So you can see it even comes like right down to the detail. This has footman loops on it. You can see that it's got the windshield clamp brackets, and we'll show you the other clamp brackets that are on the windshield frame. You've got a scripted toolbox with the Jeep. You can see the pivot brackets here for the passenger side seat. Moving on back here, let's see if you got the tailgate hinges already installed on it. You also have for the tailgate chains. Reminds me, sometimes we get asked questions like, hey, do I still have to drill? Well, your instrument gauges, your gauge panel and stuff, those are already drilled, but you still are going to have a few holes here and there that you're going to have to drill, but not many because, like I said, this thing's already pre-fit on a chassis. But, for example, you already have for the seat clamps in the back, these would have to be cut out. So there is some minor stuff that has to be cut out, but we wanted to show how complete that tub was. This is the later CJ2A tub, so it does not have the indents over there for the shovel and axe. I'm not going to pull this out of this box. We do have photos on the website if you want to see more photos of that. But you can see the tub that it comes with. Then we're just going to move along, and I'm going to show you all the other pieces this comes with. And you'll see on some of these parts over here, they have other smaller pieces that come on those as well. So here we'll move over to the tailgate. So here you get a scripted, it's the scripted Willys tailgate that comes with, okay? And we have seat frames, so you're going to have a driver's side, passenger side seat frame, and you're going to have the rear seat for this. And like I said, the brackets for the passenger frame, they're already in the tub. Moving over here, here's a fender. I can see a passenger side fender, driver's side fender. Comes with both of those. Then here's the bow set, all right? So this is pretty cool. This thing comes with like a complete bow set. So if you're planning on running top, summer top, whatever, here's your complete bow set. It also has the brackets already in the tub for the bow set. Moving over here to the windshield frame. It's kind of hard to see all this, but there's many smaller pieces besides the windshield frame that come on this. I'll talk about those. This windshield frame is scripted with the Willys on the other side here. You can see the clamps for the hold down there. It's got the thumb bolts and such in the arms on both sides. I see the cowl seal here. It also has the inner windshield frame. And I see another piece of welt strip. I'm not exactly sure what that one's for, but as you can see, very complete windshield frame. Here I see the spare tire carrier, so it comes with that. Correct tank. Now what I'll say about that tank, there are at least 2 other manufacturers that I know of out there that aren't selling the correct tank. This one actually has the convex. So right in here is convex on both sides, and it has the OAL stamp. So this is the only correct tank that I know of that is made by MD Juan. So really a great tank too. And then you've got, here's the CJ2A grill. This is not the real early style. You'll see the early style had different cutouts right here for the parking lights. So it comes with that. Then we also have the scripted hood. So what we would call low hood on these flat fenders. Got a scripted hood with it. And then I didn't pull all these wheels out, but it comes with 5 wheels as well. All right, so we've got wheels in this kit. But I think we covered everything on this. There were 19 main items. And you can see all the smaller items. This thing comes pre-fit. I forgot to mention it's all finished in black primer. The floor on these things are 16 gauge. The sides are 18 gauge on this. And all of this, I've actually personally seen how all this is prepped. So it goes through a degreasing process. All of that, it's cleaned, and then they're primed on all these parts. So they're all primed as well. You got questions about this? We have more stuff on the website on these. You can find this under the CJ2A. Crate Jeep is what we call this. You can email us, sales@thejeepsterman.com. Our phone number is 314-798-6462. And you can call anytime, whatever, and look at any of this stuff on the website. And you can check our YouTube channel because we're always showing videos of these new products. Thanks.
Good job, John.
Fire right up.
Good job.
That's right.
God, he's tapping.
Yeah. Oh my God. Terrible. Terrible.
You like how his face is right on?
What?